Here we've installed an Alpine iLX-F115D floating head unit. It's 11 inch, so it's a massive screen, but in this motorhome it looks really well. It looks meant to be. So this is the actual screen itself. It's a beautiful looking screen, and it sits, like I said, on the dash beautifully. So being an 11 inch, you have a huge screen that gives you all the information that you need. So just turning it on as DAB, you go to normal terrestrial FM. If you want to go into menu, just do menu. But as you can see, it's just like a big tablet size screen. And with these, you could actually tilt it as well if you wanted to. So if you wanted it more vertical, you can do. And you can go all the way back if you just want it further back. So you've got that little bit of flexibility with these. You have Bluetooth calling as normal. You have Apple CarPlay, which is wireless, and you have Android Auto, which is wired. So that means that if you've got an Android phone and you want Android Auto, you just have to plug into the USB, and that gives you that ability. But if you've got an Apple phone, you could just do that completely wirelessly. So if I just show you that. So I'm just going to go into my phone settings, into the Bluetooth settings. And we go to phone calls, then go add new device. It's now allowing devices to be seen, and we're just going through the pairing process. So we go pair, allow, yes. It's now connecting up. Now it's asking if I want to go to Apple CarPlay, which I do, and as you can see, it's completely wireless. And there you've got Apple CarPlay. So you want to play Spotify, you could do that. Go into Maps. So if you've got Google Maps, if you've got Waze, you'll find it. So you could use that. And just being such an 11 inch screen, it's really clear. This car has reverse camera. This van has reverse camera. So the camera was already installed, so we just basically interfaced it into the Alpine stereo. And you've got a nice big picture there. There you have it. That's the Alpine iLX-F115D 11 inch floating head unit installed in this motorhome.